Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to our channel. So for this video, I am going to review a jewelry that was sent to me by a company named UMCHO. UMCHO. I think that's how you pronounce it. But let's get into this video. So UMCHO from their website says, at UMCHO Jewelry, they have a classic collection of unique and custom styles in silver jewelry that let you feel beloved and let people you love staying happy and joyful through gifts, giving, and receiving. So I read that at their About Us on their website, and they are actually legit. So I am going to show you on the screen right now what their website looks like. So just go to umcho.com, and if you go down, you will see their best sellers right immediately on their website. And then usually they're mostly on sale, so it's amazing. They have a lot of items on sale that has a lot of discounts. You'll see new arrivals, and you can also see reviews from customers that they had. They also have Facebook and Instagram that you could follow and visit. They have a selection called Get One Free. So if you want to participate in the buy one get one free activity, please choose one product from all the products below. As you look at their website, you'll be able to see earrings and the type of earrings you want, whether you want drop, studs, clips, hoops. You'll find rings there, engagement rings, wedding rings, or just fashion rings or promise rings that are really pretty. You'll find necklaces there that are really cute, and bracelets and jewelry sets. Now, UMCHO sent me 6 pieces of jewelry to review, but I am going to review the other set of jewelry on my next video after this one, so stay tuned for that. But first, I am going to review their butterfly jewelry set. So once you order from their website, this is what you'll get. This is actually a bigger box than the smaller one. It's very light. Like, the color of this is super light, so that's why you can hardly see the name of it. But yeah, you see the difference? This is a lighter color. Anyways, behind the box there are jewelry maintenance instructions here that were put in bullet points. So I'm just going to read it. It says, avoid sweat, stay away from chemicals, not wearing it while sleeping, not wearing it while bathing, not collision or bruising, probably like trying to scratch it on like surfaces, or like, I don't know, like punch the wall or punch the door or something. Just don't do that. Placing it into the box while not wearing it, often using cotton cloth to polish the jewelry to maintain clean and bright. So when you order from them, you actually get a free jewelry polishing cloth, and it's also made in England. Okay, that's cool. So let's try and see what we have here. So we have the butterfly set. This is the necklace, and then this is the ring. And then we also have the butterfly earrings. Aren't they pretty? So the butterfly jewelry set consists of the necklace, the ring, and the pair of earrings. The gemstones are created ruby and black spinel. I think that's how you pronounce it. The necklace size is 48.5 millimeters by 14 millimeters. The earrings are 55 millimeters by 15 millimeters. The stone clarity is VVS. The stone color is ruby and black. The metal type is 925 sterling silver. And the weight of this item is approximately, the whole set is approximately 16.50 grams, and the stone origin is Russian. And it also has an AAA plus cubic zircon. Yeah, there you go. Apparently, the minimum size for the ring is 5. It's not that loose for my finger, but I prefer if it was 4.5, but apparently they only have 5. So, yeah. And their biggest ring size is 9. Let's try the earrings first and see how good it actually looks. I really like the black spinel and the ruby combined. I think they look so pretty. There you go. Ooh. Ooh, get it, girl. There you go. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, dang, that is gorgeous. Do you guys see that? Well, of course you do. But that is pretty. That is so pretty. That's pretty. I like that. Okay, now let's try on the ring. Oh, look at that ring. Isn't it so pretty? That is like such a pretty ring. Look at that. Oh, so cute. Ah, stop moving. Very the same design as the earrings. Oh. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Okay. That's pretty. Okay, work it. I really like this butterfly set. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. The whole set is actually really pretty. Like, do you guys agree? They're so pretty. I love it so much. So my advice would be, whenever you're using fashion jewelries like this, make sure that you don't use it every day. But if you still want to use it every day, then just make sure that you don't let it come in contact with water, or make sure that you always clean it. Like right after use, always clean it. Since they give the polishing cloth, always use that to clean your jewelries. Just because I had a sterling silver ring back then, and I used it every day, and after like a little over 6 months, it started to get lots of scratches, and the colors started to fade, and it doesn't look nice. So make sure that you follow the instructions written at the back of this box, because this really helps maintain the quality and maintain the beauty of your jewelries. But my goodness, I love it so much. I'm a fan of fashion jewelry, so this is so pretty. Yay! Just an addition to my jewelry collection. I will definitely rate this a 10 out of 10 because the design of it is so pretty. So I really recommend that you guys go visit umcho.com and get this set or any other set that's available on their website and try it. If you guys want 15% discount on every jewelry purchase that you will get at umcho.com, make sure you type Leahona15 for 15% discount in every items that you buy. So I am very happy with this set, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!